I basically was the only one that got truly hit. Yeah, I went straight to the passenger door. My friend was behind the driver, so the driver and the other side were okay and came all basically right at me. My name is Zachary Bushard, and I was the passenger of a vehicle that got T-boned. I had chronic neck problems and constant migraines for a little over a year. I got treatment for my neck. I went to a chiropractor about 5 days a week. We got a lawyer pretty much. I texted my mom, and that was about the first thing that she was worried about, because she went through the same thing, so she was worried about all the medical problems and stuff like that, so just about within a week.
The way that Zach ended up in my office is I had previously represented his mother. And based on my prior interactions with her, that they determined that I would be the right person to handle Zach's claim. When it came to working with the insurance companies for Zach, it was delicate, I have to put it that way, because of the intimate and familiar relationship that he had both with the driver of his accident and the family, ultimately, because he knew them personally.
Nicolet Law helped me understand that it wasn't his fault. He helped me a lot with understanding that we are not taking money from his pockets or his parents' money, which was a huge thing of why I was nervous about the whole situation. I didn't want to lose my best friend or ruin the relationship with my best friend and my sister. So they helped me understand where the money was coming from, what their side was like, that was really confusing for me. They helped me understand just kind of like how his family is gonna take this. I remember hearing about Nick and Raylan through my mom, and she talked a lot about how they were empathetic about her situation, very compassionate, and helped her through the long process and made it easy to understand and get through.
When I heard that Tanya's son, Zach, was in a motor vehicle accident, I immediately contacted Tanya asking if there's anything that I can help with, if he needs any sort of help or advice on what to do, getting the claim set up, and he immediately signed up with Nick and I, and we made sure that all of his medical bills were getting taken care of right away.
The end result of the crash and going through Nicolet Law was I got money that paid for all of my expenses and extra money on top of that for troubles. After that, I stopped going to the chiropractor and got treatments that I needed, and that was done. Nicolet Law's, my attorney, was amazing. It was easy to understand. It was easy to go through. They were very quick to answer all my questions. They were very good with asking questions, making sure I was comfortable and understanding what was happening. If another family member got in an accident, my first call would be to Nicolet Law.